Hello and welcome to another beehiiv feature update. In this video, we're going to cover editing post metadata. Now, editing your publication post's metadata can be valuable in a couple different ways. What we've provided is the ability to edit the meta title and meta description, and then open graph title and description, which is the data that's pulled when you share a post to social media like LinkedIn or Facebook. And then you can also edit your Twitter description and title as well for that platform. So let's just get started. In order to find the section, you're going to jump into a post. You're going to navigate to the settings pane under SEO settings. In this section, we have an area where you can change the meta title, meta description, and then under this advanced tab, you can edit these additional things. And we also have previews of how your post would look like on social media. Now, the best way to take advantage of these, your meta title is going to be what shows up in the search engine, so you can kind of see what it'll look like here. This is super valuable if you're trying to optimize for SEO and rank for a specific topic, and is different from the post settings title in that the post settings title is going to be the title that shows up on your web view, and then your meta title can be different and is what's going to show up when Google indexes your page in the search engine. The difference there can be, your post title is probably going to be pretty similar to your meta title, but you may want to be more conversational. You may want to focus more on, hooking the reader to read on, whereas the meta title in the search engine might be optimized for a specific keyword. You don't want it to be clickbaity because you'll get, penalized for that, and, can be more kind of objective. Separately, you might want to change your social media titles, because on social media, hooking a user with a description and a call to action can be very useful. So for social media, it might be something like the tactic that's going to get you tons more subscribers. Read more or something like that. That's a terrible title, so don't use that one, but you can probably get the idea I'm trying to convey. The idea on social media is to get the user to click through onto your site, and there's no SEO considerations there. So this pretty much covers how you can edit this, but it's a really powerful feature to get your content to be customized just a little bit more granularly, and will help you grow as you share across different platforms across the web. Thank you so much for your time. Happy growing.